Senator Osmeña.
Mr. Tan, the Bank Secrecy Act prohibits you, the bank, from disclosing any information about a private account. But in this case, we're asking your bank about its procedures and practices. Now, you have your compliance officer at this hearing. We'd like to know, what time did you receive, did you, the head office, receive the notice from New York? What time did you read it? You might not have been at work on Monday, which February 8th was an official non-working holiday. So what time did the most senior officer read the request that arrived from New York?
Your Honor, if I may answer that. However, I would apologize right now that I will still invoke, but however, I will provide you the processes that the bank has in terms of remittances.
You will invoke what?
Bank secrecy, Your Honor.
I'm asking what time you received the notice from New York, and that's bank secrecy?
Yes, Your Honor. It relates to deposits. Actually, General Banking Act, Your Honor. It relates to information regarding a bank account or a deposit within the bank, and also for the FCDU law, Your Honor.
All right. But if the owner of the funds does not object to your giving information about his funds, remember, I'm talking about the Bangladesh funds. What is your objection to that?
Your Honor, I really apologize. The determination of the ownership as well as whether or not there was fraud committed has not yet been established, Your Honor. Right now, the U.S. federal government is denying as well that there was any hacking done. So at this point,
got nothing to do with it, whether there was hacking or not hacking.
What's
the relevance of that comment you just made?
Sorry, Your Honor. Your Honor, it's the predicate crime to AMLA. So
the predicate crime is hacking?
Yes, Your Honor.
In other words, if it weren't hacked,
there would be no AMLA, Your Honor, money laundering.
You know, ma'am, Miss, what's your name, ma'am?
You may call me Win-Win, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Win-Win, Your Honor.
Win-Win? Attorney Win-Win. What are we talking about? You're bordering on the ridiculous here. You're saying that it hasn't been established, it's been hacked. The ambassador of the Republic of Bangladesh is here. The Central Bank of Bangladesh sought assistance that their funds were stolen. Ninakaw ito. Baka siguro maintindihan mo pag Tagalog. Ninakaw ito. So meron talagang krimen na nangyari. So don't give us that thing about hacking or what. Ninakaw ito. Foreign government is asking us to help them. What the...
Your Honor, I really want to help. But right now, the presumption is that the ownership of the funds is with the account holders.
The account holders have been proven to be fake. The LTO license are fake. What are you hiding?
they have to protect the fake holders.
Your Honor, much as we would really want to help, I will discuss all procedures available. But for RCBC, deposits of our clients are considered absolutely confidential for us because of the secrecy of bank deposits law.
Attorney Win-Win.
Yes, Your Honor.
You said you're willing to discuss processes, procedure, pamaraan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Senator Osmeña just asked you what time you received the stop payment request. Anong kinalaman nun sa account? You said proseso. A proseso yun. A process starts with a point in time.
Your Honor, the time is a specific fact relating to this event.
Even your facial expression shows how you regard your own reasoning.
Your Honor, it's just that I really, really want to help this committee. If only that we are not bound by Philippine laws on confidentiality, we would really love to tell you everything that we know. However, we also have a duty to the senators who passed those laws.
We were the ones who passed those laws.
Yes, Your Honor.
I was the principal author. So don't give me that.
Mr. Chair.
May I declare a 1-minute suspension?